Any
sure.
language barrier like English, Hindi? Comfortable with both?
Both. No
Okay.
issues. Hindi also okay. But my
So,
Hindi is like very basic level.
okay, I'll keep the session
I
in
can
English.
understand.
Okay.
Sure, sure. No issue.
Okay, then. So, Anoop, right?
Okay.
Hmm.
Uh,
I hope you can see my screen.
yeah, I can see.
Okay. And here is your resume, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So before starting the actual resume review, first of all, I wanted to know, like you said, you want to get 95% plus scores. First thing, right? That one.
Yeah, yeah.
And the second thing is you want to like actually sit into an interview, right? Your resume should be that much capable.
Yes,
You can crack a interview. Like you can filter your the screening section. That's it.
yes,
These are
yes,
your
yes,
main two requirements.
yes,
So
yes.
before starting that, I would like to know how actually you apply for the jobs. Like that will help me to analyze key. Okay, this thing you are doing wrong. So tell me that how you are applying for the jobs.
Okay, sure. I'll tell you.
Okay.
The thing is like, first of all, I'm thinking about the first. I'm taking like internship roles. First, I will go to the portals, for example, LinkedIn or any
Okay.
application through the career website directly. For example, Samsung career website, Sony career websites. When I'll go there, I will find out like which specific role and specific domain should I get in. I am trying to get in into full stack development. Either it may be front end or back end.
Okay.
So I'll see the requirements, job descriptions. If it is at the like 0 to 2 or internship level, I
Hmm.
will apply for that. Just
Okay.
go there and apply my resume and fill all the details. This is what I'm doing till now. I'll try to get contacts in the LinkedIn or somewhere. You will get a portal and I'll go and I will apply there. That's it
Okay.
till now I'm doing.
Okay. And this is the
I use I use Workdays for Workdays and Indeed
okay.
and Indeed I used and Naukri also I used, but in the Naukri I am not getting the genuine because some people will call and they will ask about the details and they will ask money.
Got it.
Then that is
That's a pure scam.
this
Don't
thing
do
also
that.
yeah, this also many things happen. So I'm not using now Naukri. I'm
Okay.
using LinkedIn or Indeed right now,
Got
or
it.
through the direct websites, career websites.
Got it. So my second question is how like do you have any separate resume or you have just one resume for all the jobs?
There I made a mistake. Like previously, I used to send same resume for every companies.
Okay.
So then after that, what I did, according to the job role, I'll go to the chat GPT and I will paste the job role and I will paste my resume there. And whatever all the information comes there, for example, keywords and everything, I will add in the resume and I used to send to the recruiter.
Got it. And how do you
I
filter out
updated
the
that
keywords?
just by seeing that. I'll ask ChatGPT and I will see some resources are there from the LinkedIn. There is keywords in the sections. I have
Okay.
some PDFs. So from that, which is okay, I choose and I have uploaded in the LinkedIn. But specifically, I don't know like that is right or not.
Got it. So Anu, first of all, actually the thing is
Uh,
getting a job is it's a kind of a complete roadmap. So the thing
okay,
that matter is first of all your skills. And suppose
okay,
if you have some skill, you have to prove that you have a skill. So suppose if I have, if
okay.
suppose I want to hire for some uh, skill section, license certification. Yeah, yeah. So you have mentioned 50 plus skills, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Is there any way that that you can showcase you are perfect in suppose full stack? You have made a project for that.
Yeah, I made it's in the GitHubs. There are some projects.
Where is the link?
And usually to be the link is in the resume only. I
No,
can
no.
tap it in
Suppose if
resume.
I'm checking your
Uh,
LinkedIn, I'm a recruiter, and I'm
okay,
checking your LinkedIn profile. So is there any way I
okay.
can go to your projects from your LinkedIn profile?
No,
So write these
no,
points. I'm
no, no.
letting you know. Okay. So first and foremost
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
is, if you are writing anything on your LinkedIn or your resume, there should be some proof for that. कि अगर suppose मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि I have done a web development course or I have made a project of hotel reservation system. So I should be
Okay.
able to prove my words with some proof, and the proof could be
Okay.
some website जो आपने host किया है या फिर some GitHub repository link. All those stuff should be there. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the foremost thing that
Okay.
that's missing in your resume as well as on LinkedIn profile.
I will do that. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now coming on to the second thing is you're sure about that you want to work only in the full stack field or something else?
Yeah, the thing is like to be genuinely, I have applied for many companies, but only I got callbacks from the NVIDIA till now.
Okay.
I have attended the interview. I have given interview like for 5 rounds.
Mm-hmm.
I finished it and I finished the managerial round also. At that time, they got to know that I'm not that much into the domain of the this testing domain. It is a testing domain.
Got it.
But whatever they took, the interview is it depends on the algorithms and data structures and the basics and the Python programming skills. Like for example, they given problems
Mm-hmm.
statements that I have to solve. I have solved that and I've cleared everything. But at the last managerial round, the thing is like they want to hire the people who are from the 2 years experience.
Oh, that is, actually that doesn't make sense. Suppose if company want an experienced candidate, no matter how good your
Uh,
skills are, they will not, select you for
yeah,
that. So,
yeah. And the thing is like they want some bonds on that.
so basically, first and foremost thing is apply for those jobs which you feel like you are capable
Mm,
for. Suppose if a company want
okay,
interns, apply for interns only. Because a person don't analyze each and everything. We use ATS, right? You know
okay.
ATS,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
application tracking system. So with the help of that, if
Yes, yes,
if you
yes.
don't have experience, it will automatically filter out your resume. So
Okay,
that is the second point. Apply for the only the relevant jobs that you think कि हाँ इसके अंदर my skills matches, my experience matches with the job requirements.
yeah.
Okay. Now coming back to this resume, the
Uh,
thing again that is missing is the links. Suppose I want to check your LinkedIn profile, there is no link for that, right? If I
no, you can tap it if you can.
no, it's not
If
working.
you tap it, you can.
Oh here, okay, okay. Actually, I was clicking. I know from the day you have shared this resume, and I was clicking on this link. I was unable to know
Okay,
get it.
fine.
I'll
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
yeah.
I'll do that.
After the session, I'll share a sample with you, a sample resume that will you should go with that.
Sure, sure. No
Okay. So now again, this was again my mistake. I think. Yeah. Cool. So this was another thing that you have worked. That's fine.
Yeah.
Do you code regularly? Any coding profile?
Yeah, but not in like late code or something. I'm starting it. The reason behind that is like I have in the previous 8 months we used to do some startup thing in the college, so
Mm-hmm.
we won some award in that.
Mm-hmm.
So still it's going on, and again I'm applying for the data switch also. I used to practice it by the hand itself, like whatever the problem
Got it.
statement I'm giving, I'm just using in by pen and solving the problems and just executing in the Visual Studio Code.
Got it.
I've not done in any like platforms like Lead Code or Geek for Geeks or Code Forces like this platforms.
Got it. So again, the question comes is there should be some proof to showcase your skills, right?
Sure.
So again,
Okay.
mention it. Try opting. I try working on this some platforms, Lead Code, Code Forces, Code. There are multiple platforms. You can choose any and start regularly
Okay.
coding on that. That will showcase how punctual you are for the coding. I'll show you my coding this
Sure. I'll do.
profile. I'll show you. Suppose
Uh-huh.
like I regularly code, right?
Yeah.
That is a bit laggy.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll show you. I'll come back to here. Yeah. The thing is,
Yeah.
add a coding profile. Start
Yeah.
giving,
I'll add that.
yeah. Start reading, adding some, start giving some context. Sorry, some coding
Okay.
challenges.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see, like I'm regularly coding. So every day I'm coding. One day I go, 2 day I go. So if HR look into my profile, it will see okay, the person is coding on the regular basis. That will show how punctual you are and how uh, what number of practice you are doing on the each particular day. So that's a plus point
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
you. So add that thing. If you want a job in
Yeah. I'll add it.
this kind of tech job basically.
Okay.
Okay. And the DSA is, as you might know that DSA is one of the major interview round in big tech companies like Nvidia.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this
It
thing is
was.
listen now.
Yeah. Okay,
Uh,
we'll do that.
Summary to secure challenging position in the field of computer application that utilize my skills and knowledge to contribute to the growth of. I hope this is taken from ChatGPT, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Try making your own.
Okay, sure.
And if you take it from ChatGPT, add some of your stuff.
Hmm.
It actually looks like you have some copy pasted this stuff. So
Okay, sure. I'll make that.
work on this also. Halaki, it is not that important to write in a resume, but okay, if you are writing, it's your personal choice. But try to customize with your skills and your resume. That suits your
Okay.
resume best.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
so coming on to the skill section, key skills and
Hmm.
technical skills. Can you please differentiate between these two? Like, what do you mean by key skills and what do you mean by technical skills?
That is what the thing I'm thinking about, like whether I should add it or not. Like,
Okay. From my knowledge and my experience, I don't think there should be multiple sections. And I'll show you in the later. I'll show you the sample resume. There you can actually exact copy and
okay.
edit the resume.
Okay. Okay.
This is okay. Cool. Good. C++, Java, Python.
And I
Mhm.
don't want to interrupt. And one more thing is like, can I ask you, like, is it which platform is good for me to pursue career? Like, for example, I want to move into domain of the full stack because we have most probably I have done developed an application in a full stack only.
Mm-hmm.
So and internship was done with the Python AI and ML. That is only for 2 months, 1.5 months. That
Mm-hmm.
is some just they used platform like Anaconda distributions and Numpy and those all things.
Mm-hmm.
And just they have there is a very small project that I have done. So I'm intending to learn something from the industry experience from the internship.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying from that time. I'm not getting any internship also. First of all, the thing is like if I get a chance, I will crack it. The thing is like I'm not screening it
Got it. Got it.
recruiter not at all seeing my resume or whatever the LinkedIn pages and calling
Got
back.
it. Actually, LinkedIn needs to be improved a lot. There is a lot of improvement I
Okay,
can see, but I think if I take
okay,
the resume and the LinkedIn in the same section, it will end up around 2 or 3 hours. We'll have some separate session for
okay.
this. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Tomorrow is it okay?
Tomorrow, I think I have to check my calendar. I'll let you know.
Yeah, yeah, sure. No,
Okay.
issue.
Moving
Okay,
back to
fine.
this resume. Your question, sorry. I missed it. You were asking key which section should I go for, like full stack or AML. So,
Yeah,
as per my suggestion, as we've already done an internship over this Python AML, NumPy's Panda, Matplotlib, I'll suggest
yeah,
you to go and build a career in AIML because the future is AI, as you might know, and
okay.
the development in the AI. Because web development is a
Uh,
kind of stuff जो कि AI भी कर सकता है, right? You can ask some AI module to make a web model for us. It can work, but still,
yeah, yeah,
in future, if you want to stay in the market, no, you have to learn something that AI can't do. Well, basically, as such, we are not competing with an AI. It's just learning the skill,
mm,
and this is just my thoughts and my opinions. You might differ in this,
okay,
and
okay.
if I tell you a particular section, if you can go for a data scientist role, that's the
Uh,
sexiest job you can say we can have in the future. Like after 10 to 12 years, the sexiest job in the market is data scientist.
Okay, nice, nice to hear that. And the thing is, like, should I have any particular certification for that to apply for this, or should I apply it for a data science role, which is like a fresher's role? Will they accept my resume? Like, what
You don't have
will it
experience,
happen?
right?
Yeah, that's what the problem is.
You're 2020 graduate and you're doing masters. So I think
Just,
you have,
just now,
yeah,
I didn't got even the certification. Also, this month, 27th, I will get my convocation certification.
okay, no worries. You should go for this internship kind of role. Internship or basically 1 or 2 year experience. The max 2 year of experience,
Okay,
you can apply for that. And still there is a 50-50% chance
okay,
the company will select or reject your resume. And the reason being
Okay, after
50-50,
2 years.
yeah, maximum 2 years. Like
Okay.
if job experience required is 0 to 2 years, so I think you
Uh,
should go for that. If more than that, it's total waste of time to apply for that.
okay.
Okay,
Probability is very less. If I apply as a
exactly,
fresher, probability is
exactly.
more or less.
Very rare.
Okay. Okay.
Coming to the certification, one thing I have clicked is, while going to certifications, you have done MuleSoft Integration
Uh,
Associate.
yeah.
I click on this. It
Uh,
asked me to sign in. Do you think I have a
okay.
credentials to sign in and check your certificate?
No, no, no.
Like,
And the thing is, like, I have worked on this.
okay,
I worked on this, and I went to the portal, and I used to have it in the. And if I give the links, it everything it asks the credentials. So what should I do? Like, there is another option is like we have to download that specific certification in the Google Cloud or somewhere. I have to store. Then that link should I give?
right,
Is it
right.
okay?
That's the perfect thing. Do one thing,
Okay.
just take a screenshot or basically download that certificate. Click on that,
Uh,
upload that certificate over some drive and add the drive link
uh,
over here.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Makes sense. So why I didn't make that means like the thing is like if they want to see the specific website only, then it will be good for them. So I made that. Okay,
okay.
fine. Then I will make the changes.
You know how much time a HR takes to review a resume?
It's 10 seconds
Oh,
or 6 seconds or
six
7 seconds.
seconds. 6 seconds.
Fine.
6 seconds for
Okay.
an entire resume. And suppose if I click on this resume in this link
Uh,
and it goes
uh,
to this kind of page, no, this kind of page,
yeah.
at that particular moment I'll reject the resume because I don't want to put an extra effort because there are multiple candidates which are in
Okay.
competition with you. So
Yeah. Got
wasting
it.
time
Makes
on these
sense.
kind of things will definitely give you a red impact, a red flag for you.
Okay.
So try
I'll make the
doing this
changes.
solution also.
Yeah.
A award section, best project startup award. Yes, and you have to prove it.
No. Yeah. Yeah. I got that. I got that. I
Okay.
will do that today.
Secondly, yeah. Secondly, yeah. Coming to this, the styling of the resume. You can see the multiple.
Uh,
Here the font size is large, small,
uh,
multiple bullets.
okay.
This
Okay.
is basically totally wrong.
Okay.
Max to max, you can have two font size, one for the heading, one for the description. Multiple
Okay.
headings is not a good thing. Here you have added date, here date is missing.
Okay.
So this thing should be taken care of.
Okay.
Okay, coming on to the additional informations. Language on Kannada, Telugu, Hindi. I think uh, language section is not that required. Like you can skip it even.
Okay.
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 Interest reading
Instead
tracking.
of interest,
Sorry.
instead of reading, tracking, and trading, I should put some lead code. Some it will be helpful, right?
I think this whole section is not required. No. Suppose
Okay.
if I am hiring for the software, basically full stack role, what
Uh,
benefit your bike riding skill can give me? Just explain me that.
okay. Makes
It
sense.
doesn't make sense, right? If I'm hiring for
Yeah.
such and such role, and your interest is supposed by it, obviously it's a extracurricular activity, you're doing that stuff, but to a personal level. Again, the
Okay.
error. They should be spaced between this. You got it? It should be spaced
Okay.
between and
Yeah, I got
trading.
it.
Yeah. So this should be also taken care of. This is one section. Here again recapping that award section is okay. Bit improvement is required. Additional information is not
Yeah.
required. You can omit this.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming on to the internship. First of all,
Yeah.
we never write internship as a heading. It is always as experience.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Python AI ML Technology Global Private Limited. Okay, this should be in particular one line. Oh, what is this? This is the company
Oh,
name, right?
single line. No, no. Bottom is company name. It should
Okay.
come up.
What is this?
That is a role
Okay,
what we
that's the
get
role.
in Python AML.
Okay. So for
Yeah.
writing experience, I'll tell you the first thing is the experience heading. Okay.
Uh, okay.
Afterwards, the name of the company. So line should not be here.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
in the right side of this company name, here should be the role. Basically, here, like no, sorry. Here should be the duration of the internship. This should be at this side,
Okay.
and the
Oh,
role
aligned with the company name or aligned with
align with the
the
company
date.
name. Align to company name,
Oh, okay.
and your this role should be just below your company's name. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now coming on to the
Date must be date. Date. Once again, date must be in the right side, right?
it must be on the right side. I'll share the resume template. You can check it that also.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
And yeah, data handling, data cleaning, visual exploration, insights, communication, imported necessary libraries and read the IPL auction data for the data structure and dimensions. Okay, one more thing I'll like to add on. When you write an
Uh-huh.
experience note, the
Okay.
person should be able to know. You should doesn't create another question for that. Suppose if I'm saying ki a person go and eat banana, that's simple.
Uh-huh.
So reading that sentence shouldn't make one more question for that. Coming back to the
Okay.
actual context of the question, if you have written explore the data structure and dimension. So my next question would be,
Hmm.
what role did you play and how the thing that you have done for the company helped the company,
Okay.
right? So you have said key removed
Yeah.
unnecessary columns and addressed missing values. So you have done some
Uh,
changes. What is the impact of a change?
yeah. Okay.
After reading a sentence, I can actually put on another sentence. Okay, another question. Okay, you have done this. What is the impact of this rule?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. I got it. Got it.
Yeah. And also, we should not write that huge job experience.
Okay.
Also, the font size is too large. It should be less. This
Okay.
kind of emoji is not required.
Okay. I'll remove that.
Make a resume look classy. You can just I'll share that template also. No? Yeah. Coming on to these kind of stuff, max to max make it of max to max 4 lines. Okay,
Okay.
not more than 4 lines.
Okay.
Okay, this is done. So you have only one experience, that is of internship experience, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, so one more thing, in industry, internship experience is not considered as an experience.
Okay.
Okay, but you can write in your resume in the experience section still. But suppose when you are suppose
Okay.
you have done an internship suppose for 3 months, right?
Okay.
And you are working as
Yeah.
an full-time employee in a particular, suppose NVIDIA are working for around 1 years,
Uh,
your total experience would be still 1 year.
okay.
Okay, so this is the basic thing. Just I wanted to tell you. So while applying for the job, these kind of things will matter. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
only the full-time experience is mentioned as an experience.
Okay. As a full-time employee.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for the education section, MCA, masters in sorry, Masters of Computer Application 2021 to 2023, graduated August. This is why this space is here.
Okay.
This should not
I
be here.
thought it will be like. Okay.
And the
I'll
font is no the font size 1. font size 2, font size 3.
Okay.
This should not be there. Maximum 2 font size, 2 types of font size.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is done. Courses again, max to max, common lines, 2 to 3.
4 lines.
For
2 to 3.
experience,
Okay.
basically from 1 to 4, you can write, the thing that you want to write in max to max 4 lines. That's it.
Okay.
And then I think MC you have done programming in Python. Oh, you have written some subjects of it, is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What I've done
No, no,
courses
no,
in
no,
that
no, no, no.
specific.
Not required, not required. Total waste.
Okay.
Only thing that you have to mention is the name of the
Education.
college, the
Uh,
degree that you have pursued,
okay.
the CGP that you've earned, or some,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
earned. Earned, earned. Yeah,
earned,
it's
yeah.
earned.
And
Yeah.
basically, what else? Yeah, some award you have done, that kind of stuff. Suppose you have won some tournaments kind of stuff. Basically, some competition in programming. There was some competition, some programming competition, and you won that. So this kind of stuff you can
Uh,
add in some highlighted point that will show how good you are in that stuff. Okay,
okay.
this thing is not required. Please
Yeah.
remove this.
Yeah.
BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. The this version, na? This BC is not required and this MC is not required. Just like Master of Computer Application, Bachelor of Computer Application. That's
Okay.
it. Okay,
Okay.
and without the
Yeah.
brackets.
Without the brackets.
Yeah. HR Institute of Graduate Studies, Bangalore, India. Cool. That's it. And again, you can see here the Bangalore is bold. Here the Bangalore is without the bold. Normal.
Okay. Okay.
Things should be constant. Now coming on to the key projects, I think you can remove the word key from here. Should only be projects.
Okay.
Domain
Okay.
augmented reality. Oh, augmented reality. Can you please explain?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'll explain that. The thing is like I got interested in this specific project in this January.
Mm-hmm.
So previously in this 2022 at the last December or November, we have done some small project in that. We made impact that it's very good technology. Then we thought to do something. The people from the IIT who started a company in the augmented reality section.
Mm-hmm.
In the visor, they will display the maps and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So that started, and we thought we should do something, and we started with the project of autistic people. Autism people is there, right? Those
Autism.
people are very, yeah, autism.
What's
There are
that?
small children's like how to. It's like a disease which like people faces from the small ages. Like they will not know how to socially behave in the outside socially. For
Okay,
example, a person goes to the birthday, he doesn't know like how to behave or like how to be there in a birthday party.
got it.
Or to learn for those people, they have separate classes and separate schools
Got it.
there, and they need separate training for the teachers, and they
Mm-hmm.
have to cost is more, so we
Mm-hmm.
are reducing that. So we thought to build an application for those people using augmented reality. There will be Google cardboards, right? The cardboards and everything, we should take that those things and we will integrate with the augmented reality and virtual reality. We're building an application for those people.
Got it.
So we got interested and we built an application through that.
Mm-hmm.
And we submitted in the startup called Institution of Innovation Council this August month, and we won an award for that first. And they said that this month they will fund for that.
Oh, great. So why don't you apply for
Yeah,
that company only that is funding or giving you something like that?
yeah. The thing is like it's going on, and again I'm learning many things. Like if I did, and the thing is like it's from the college. They will make a company out of it,
Mm-hmm.
and the company shares will be allotted to the me and my friend.
Oh,
We will be the founders and co-founders.
great, great. So why?
Let's I'm trying to do that project also. I'm trying to build resume, and I'm even interested in the companies, and I should give and thoroughly the like. I want experience in like how internship will
Got
go,
it.
how interviews will go on. So I'm making the resume good.
Got it. Coming back to the topic, why there
Yeah,
isn't a link for that? Like you have won the award, there should be some proof, right?
yeah. I'll share that. I'll do that. There is a awards. Should I paste an award in that?
Don't
Should
paste the award,
I?
add a link. Add a just link over here.
Okay.
That's it. That will again, just give a hint of a okay, so and so such thing I have done. And this link will, if someone wants to read more about that, you can add a link over here. And that link should present each and everything that you want to tell with the help of that link, right?
Okay,
You getting
makes
my
sense.
point?
And the thing is, like, I have mentioned, yeah, getting. And the thing is, I have mentioned it in the award section. The thing
Mm-hmm.
is, like, best project startup award of Institution of Innovation Council. There, I have mentioned.
Okay. I think you mentioned over here, no, it will give a good impact because
Okay,
making a project
I will change
and
it.
if a project goes to this kind of level, this much of level, it's a great thing.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
just copy this stuff to here. It will be a
Yeah.
good thing. Now coming back to again the tech stack, utility, Blender. Okay, that's okay. That's good. I mean full stack one. Okay, tell me one thing honestly. Is this
Okay.
project copied from somewhere or you have actually made this? Both.
No, really, we built it from the scratch. We didn't
This
got
one, this
anywhere.
one, this one,
The
this
thing is,
one.
like, yeah, this one I have used in the YouTube and made this
Got it.
too for a learning purpose.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Genuinely. Yeah.
Nothing.
The upper one we did from the scratch.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Actually, this is one of the most,
Yeah.
basically, we can say the soul of your resume. Try
Yeah.
highlighting this thing as much as you can in the new resume that you're
Sure, I'll
making.
do that. Yeah.
Uh, Highlight this. Also, one more thing. Try adding this thing over the LinkedIn. There's something called as feature section. If I can see. You don't have that, right? I'll show you in mine. There's one thing called as featured section where you can actually feature this kind of
Okay.
stuff, which will help someone who visiting your profile. Key, okay, this thing this person has done, and it will give a positive impact for this.
Okay.
Mm, yeah, this feature section. So here you can actually
Okay.
post this kind of stuff. Suppose award you have won, some some things you have done, some mentoring section you have done. This kind of section you can actually write here. Okay,
Okay. Fine. Will it post? It is a post. It is
it's
a
a
post,
kind
right?
of post, and once the basically there's something called as wall. You can post something on a wall or Facebook if you know. So once you make a post, you can
No.
highlight the post on a
Okay.
features page, feature section of a LinkedIn. That's it,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Got it.
As simple as that. So
Okay.
again, this is the some changes you have to make with the project. That's it. So the changes that I've
Okay.
offered you from here, same add these kind of changes to
Uh-huh.
this also. The rest, I
Okay.
think everything is
I'll
fine.
do that.
Also, we are running out of the time,
Okay.
so I'll tell you some more important stuff, and then we'll ending the session.
Yeah. One more thing. Last thing I want
Yeah.
to ask in it. Below this, you said about that last one. Go below. Last project you said that you taken from the
Mm-hmm.
this one, right? I used a YouTube and I've learned this thing because I don't have any resources. So I use those things, and how the thing is working, I have developed it.
Okay.
And do you have any suggestion how should I develop an application?
No, no,
Will
no.
it make an impact on the resume?
Developing
Do you have any other way?
actually start from learning from something, right? You have learned from YouTube and you have made it, right? You have the knowledge how you have made it,
Yeah.
right? Or is it just copy paste it?
Yeah. No, 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 no. I have used like how the things is working, how the MongoDB is connecting, how to connect with the
Perfect,
backend to
perfect.
the front end.
That's
Yeah.
actually the way how one makes projects for the beginning section, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So there's no harm in that. Key if you're like actually learning from YouTube and making a project, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
So that doesn't matter. Now coming on to the
Okay.
uh, resume part. One most important thing is make single column resume. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Column resume. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, so this is one of the most important thing. Single column resume.
Yeah.
So we have to replace these two columns with one column.
Single.
Yeah.
Okay.
Secondly, you have shared me a website also. Website says perfect. Always and always, as you have shared the resume in the form of PDF, make it a habit.
Uh,
Always share a resume in PDF only. You're actually doing this right, but
okay.
share it with the PDF only.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know the reason why?
No. Can I know that?
The reason of sharing a resume or LinkedIn over PDF is PDF is the one of the most
Uh,
common way and wait a second, most common way, and basically this PDF document can be accessed anywhere in any mobile device, laptop. Basically, it doesn't make a
okay.
restriction. Okay, we have to open in this and this stuff only. Sometimes I have seen
Okay.
ki
Good.
if I made a resume in Word, X version of Word, and I send my
Uh,
resume to some XYZ person. So if
uh,
the version of that Word file, that Word application is not same, sometimes it might make an issue.
okay.
Okay, so reason is only PDF is the common and most basically easiest way to share the resume also. And also it is uneditable.
Okay.
Here, if I share,
Okay.
I can't
Got it.
edit it.
Got it.
That's the reason.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the third thing that you have asked is for you want 95% of resume score.
That's it. Resume. ATS.
There is
Application tracking
a
system.
website called as write the name also Jobalytics. Jobalytics.
Huh? JOB.
Jobalytics.
A. Uh, okay.
I've written the name over here. You can see
Yeah. Yeah.
it's a kind of a Google Chrome extension.
Okay.
I'll show you an example also. Google Chrome.
Okay.
Suppose I'll go to career page. So suppose kind of application would be there. This kind of job analytics. Okay.
Okay.
So I click on suppose I want to apply for this job.
Uh-huh.
Just add this extension. Click on this job analytics
Okay.
extension. Upload your
Okay.
resume and click on
Huh?
analyze job description. So as you
Okay.
can say, it will give you some particular keywords that has to be in your resume. So as you
Okay.
can
Okay.
see,
Got it.
my current resume score is 48%. Now, if I
Huh?
want to make it suppose 100%, it will give me some, if you can
Huh?
see, multiple words. Basically, the green one is the keyword that is present in my resume, and the red one is the words
Huh?
that is not present in my resume. So you have to actually add those
Okay.
words, and it will increase the resume percentage. Resume